Welcome to How to Mastery Easy Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your Gmail password directly from your mobile phone. Follow along carefully, and you'll have your password updated in no time. Step 1. Open the Gmail app. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile phone. At the top, you'll see the currently active account. If it's not the account you want to change the password for, simply tap on the account and select the one you need from the drop-down list. Step 2. Access Google Account Settings. Once you've selected the right account, look for the Manage Your Google Account option below your account details. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Navigate to the Security tab. After entering your Google account settings, scroll sideways or down to find the Security section. Once you're there, look for the Password option under the Signing into Google section. Tap on it to continue. Step 4. Verify your identity. Here, you'll need to verify your identity. If your mobile phone asks for your lock screen password, enter it. In some cases, it may directly ask you for your Gmail account password instead. Step 5. Enter your new password. Now, type in the new password you want to use for your Gmail account in the first box. Make sure it's strong and secure by including uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. In the second box labeled Confirm New Password, re-enter the same password. Step 6. Save your new password. After entering your new password in both boxes, you'll see the Change Password button below. Tap on it to confirm. Once clicked, your password will be successfully updated, and you'll receive a confirmation message. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully changed your Gmail password. Make sure to save your new password securely and avoid sharing it with anyone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next tutorial.